In this video, we'll be taking a look at the brand new Waze app, now available on Apple CarPlay, inside the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. The extremely popular navigation app Waze has finally made its way to your vehicle's entertainment center. Just released today, version 4.43.4 made its way onto the App Store, unlocking the much anticipated CarPlay connectivity. Simply update your Waze application from the App Store and then plug your phone into a compatible CarPlay system and the app will appear. Let's take a look. If you're familiar with the Waze interface, you'll be right at home. It's clean, simple, and easy on the eyes. Starting at the top left corner, you have the search button. Within this menu, you'll find your recent locations as well as buttons for a keyboard search and a voice search. On the top right, you have buttons for your favorites as well as voice search. In the lower right-hand corner, you have your map navigation button, which when pressed allows you to move forward, backward, left, and right, as well as zoom in and out. Swiping to navigate the map does seem to work on Volkswagen models. However, it doesn't work on all systems, and pinch to zoom in and out is not available. For those that may not be familiar with Waze, it relies on user-submitted data to produce accurate, real-time navigation updates to travel time and route details. So you have the option to submit real-time hazards to help other drivers. By clicking the orange pin bubble, you can report police sightings, accident alerts, traffic buildup, as well as various hazards like construction, vehicles on the shoulder, or water on the roads. Once you do decide on a destination, you'll be given turn-by-turn directions, as well as alerts like those listed above, if applicable to your route. You can turn all sound on, disable alert sounds, or turn the navigation and alert sounds off altogether. It's your choice. This effective and user-friendly navigation system is a welcomed addition to CarPlay, and shows that Apple's finally starting to allow third-party apps to incorporate into their in-vehicle ecosystem. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more news, demos, and how-tos on Apple CarPlay and all other infotainment apps.